Good morning everyone. As you've just seen, it's nearly 20 past 11 on Sunday morning and we're going to get stuck into a nice little power hour of cleaning. Got my little book, which is a things to do book, and I've jotted some little jobs down on it, which is basically what I do every morning, just a quick clean through. Obviously I've made it an hour, it's usually 20 minutes, but I had to extend it because I had laundry to do, and I also had the back kitchen and utility room to tidy because they are messy, as you'll see as we go through the video. But yeah, I thought I'll do a little video on it so you can join in and you can do the same if you're feeling a little bit, I don't know, like you want to relax on a Sunday morning like normal people do. But no, we can have a little power hour of cleaning to get it all done and we can do it together.
Excuses when I simply don't care. Why don't you just move on? We ain't going nowhere. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you. I said I got enough to do, then sit around and wait for you to grow up. Yeah.
So I've done my little jobs, which was tidying the bedroom, hoovering. I wanted to mop it too, but I actually didn't get time to do it, and I didn't want to waste time upstairs because downstairs needed it. So I'm just using a little antibacterial wipe to wipe over the surfaces so that they're all clean, because as you already know, that's where I do my makeup there, and makeup does fall out onto those white tops. So little wipe over and it's all gone. You'd never even know that I'd stood there and done my makeup and left fingerprints everywhere. I don't usually use wet wipes, but they actually come in quite handy when you're in a rush like this and you've only got an hour to get things done. So yeah, I used a wipe on all the tops so it was nice and clean and sparkly, and threw my flip-flops on, and that was the bedroom finished. I think it took me around 8 minutes to do the bedroom, which isn't bad at all when you think about it. It's pretty quick. So we're moving into the office now. The office gets a little bit messy because obviously it's where I do my work, my editing and all stuff like that. So quick little tidy up in here, and then we'll head downstairs to where the mess really is. That's the office finished. It's nice and clean. It didn't need much and it only took me 5 minutes, as you can see, and it's nice and tidy. It wasn't really messy in here. There's just a bin needed emptying a little bit, but it's all nice and tidy now. Bedroom's nice and tidy, and we are about to go downstairs. So I'm ticking off my jobs that I've done and get downstairs, and it's 35, so let's see how long it takes me to do the utility. But before I go, I just want to quickly say thank you to everybody who watches my videos and subscribes and shares and likes and comments. Honestly, it's so lovely of you all, and to say thank you, I have a special little giveaway coming. So when we move into the kitchen shortly, you'll see some things on the worktop, and I've been collecting them for a little bit now, and they're all basically my favourite things, the things that I love to use to clean up, and I thought I'll put them all into a nice little box, I'll present them all nice, and I'm going to do a giveaway which I'm super excited about. So that video is going to come tomorrow where I speak about the products in the giveaway and what you need to do to enter into the giveaway, which isn't much really, but I'll just tell you quickly what is in the prizes. It's a bottle of Rituals Cosmetic Room Spray, which is one of my favourites, and it's in the scent White Lotus and Yai Yai Ren, and I use this quite a lot. You see me using it in my previous videos. I have also started making my own wax melts, which I'm super excited about, and I've spoken quite a bit about this over on Instagram, so I'm going to put in lots of wax melts for you to try from my new range. I've also put in some power glass cleaners and micro cloths and dusters, a things to do daily planner, which is what you see me using in this video, where you can write down all your little jobs and get them done and tick them off. There is no better feeling than ticking them off and knowing that they're done. I've also included a tap extension like mine, which is on my utility tap, what you can see me using now. I've included one of those in the giveaway, and you will be all delighted to know that I have also included a dirty little golem. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know what Dirty Little Golem is, and I couldn't have found a more fitting name for him because he is the plug hole cleaner. He's a little wiry brush that we shove down the bathroom plug hole, and he pulls out all the hairs and any muck that's lurking down there, and he does the bathroom sink as well. I think he's got the dirtiest job in the world, but he does the job well, and I thought I've got to include him in the giveaway. It would be rude not to. I've also included some Astonish oven and hob paste cleaner, which I am a huge fan of now, and I don't think any household should be without this. It's a great little all-round cleaner. I've included some e-cloths, which I did ask, you know, if you've got any recommendations to please let me know, and I would include them into the giveaway over on Instagram, and quite a lot of people asked if I would include e-cloths, so there is e-cloths in there too. There is a pair of marigold gloves. Not that you see me wearing them much, but I do use them when I'm cleaning the toilet in the bathroom. I just don't film when I'm wearing them, that's all it is. So I've included marigold gloves too. And finally, on Jan's recommendation, who is Jammy Dodger C, I think, the Jammy Dodger, you all know Jan, I've included a Terry's chocolate orange, and it's Lee's Terry's chocolate orange. It's not my Terry's chocolate orange. I don't eat Terry's chocolate orange, do I, Jan? No, it's Lee's Terry's chocolate orange, but it's included in the giveaway, and that's the 10 prizes that can be won on YouTube, and I will speak more in depth about it tomorrow in that video. But yeah, I just thought I'd share with you what I'm going to do in the giveaway. I must say too that all the prizes have been purchased by me. None have been given to me or gifted to me, and it's not a collaboration with anybody. It's just all the things that I love to use, and I'm sure that you will love to use them too.
Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard, wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover, my heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover, wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while, just be human for a while, 'cause I go.
Is it just me, or did those giveaway prizes sound like something off Blankety Blank? All we were short of was a rubber duck. Yous all get me drift, and that's what matters. So that's the utility done. I've got that little load to go back in the washing machine, and the time is 46. So it took me 11 minutes to do the utility and the laundry as well, which was in the tumble dryer, and I put a fresh wash in the washing machine. So I'm ticking off the list, and it feels good to put the ticks in the boxes and know that it's done. So yeah, that's done. That's the utility done. We're now moving into the kitchen. And as you can see, it's a little bit messy out here. We've got eggs slopped on the hob, Lee and Lee's breakfast dishes, and that. I don't have a dish rack, but they will still insist upon putting the plates and the pans on the slopey little draining board where they could fall into the sink and smash. Never mind. Anyway, it's almost 11:45, so I'm going to crack on and get the dishes all loaded into the dishwasher. This little pile that you can see just here, that's my little pile of giveaway prizes. So yeah, I've been collecting them for a little bit now, and they're mounting up lovely. The Terry's chocolate orange is secretly hidden away from Lee, just in case he eats it.
I'm slipping away, So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah.
So that's the dishes washed through, and I'm basically just going to finish off loading the dishwasher, and then I'll spray it with a little bit of Astonish antibacterial spray just on the front of the door, because I slopped a little bit of marmalade and other little bits on the front of it, so I'll give it a little wipe before I close the door, because it's not quite full, it's not ready to go on yet. I'll probably have my lunch and then put the dishwasher on. Once I've finished my lunch, it'll probably be full then. But yeah, wipe around the door frame and it's nice and clean. I'm using my trusted e-cloth, as you can see, which kills 99.9% of bacteria in the kitchen. You don't even need to use a spray with it. So yeah, it's all good. I like the e-cloths for that reason. I am trying to go down the road of being a lot more safe with regards to cleaning products and not overusing them. So yeah, it's working out great for me at the moment.
It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, out of control. It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, out of control. Oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush.
Now, as you can see, the kitchen is a little bit messy. When I say messy, it's slopped with sauce and breadcrumbs and baked on egg on the hob and tea and coffee stains and stuff like that. So it just needs a quick clean. Gwen Morris noticed in one of my other cleaning videos that I didn't use Barkeeper's Friend, and I have to say Barkeeper's Friend will always have a special place in my heart because it's the most amazing little cleaner ever on ceramic sinks and the hob. But I'm back to the Astonish paste because it does the job so easily and it smells nicer than Barkeeper's Friend. I feel so mean saying it because I'm such a huge fan of Barkeeper's Friend, but I wish they would change the smell of it because it does stink. It does smell a little bit strange sometimes. But yeah, I'm back to the Astonish paste to clean the hob, which does an absolutely amazing job, as you already know. But I still love Barkeeper's Friend, and it will be making an appearance in this video because I'm going to use it to clean the sinks because they need cleaning. And as you know, I wouldn't use anything else on my sinks, only Barkeeper's Friend, because it gets rid of aluminium marks and any stubborn little marks that are hard to remove. I've not tried the Astonish paste in the sinks, but I love it on the hob and I love it in the oven and I love it on the glass too.
Let it shine on you. I wanna let it shine on you. I don't need no savior, no helping hand, no one to make me feel loved again. I am a woman coming alive.
and I'm about to burn one of my very own wax melts. And I have to say, I've only just started making them. You know, this has been something that I've been thinking about doing for a while, and I decided to just bite the bullet and go for it and do them. So it's been probably around a week and a half in the making of my wax melts. I only made a small batch first of all because I wasn't sure how they were going to turn out, but they turned out absolutely lovely. I'm thrilled to bits with them. I'm burning saffron, which at the moment is my favourite. I know I love lots of different scents, and you'll hear me saying lots of my favourites, but I do love the smell of these wax melts when they're burning in the home. Not just my wax melts, any wax melts. You know, it's your choice if you've got a favourite type. Stick with your favourite type, but you know, I've been purchasing these now for around, I want to say about 16, 17 months, and nothing beats the smell of a wax melt burning in your home. I've got Jo Malone candles and ritual candles, and they take a while to kick in, and it's only a very subtle smell, whereas the wax melts gives you an instant fresh smelling home, literally instantly. I burn them in the kitchen, in the lounge and dining room, and the hall too, so the smell is all around the bottom, and it does go upstairs. I don't tend to burn them upstairs unless I'm up there, because I won't leave a candle unattended. So yeah, my home is smelling its absolute finest at the moment.
So why even bother? We can go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love.
On the dining room table, I'm just using a wet e-cloth to clean the table off, and then I'll use a microfiber cloth just to polish it off and make sure it dries nicely with no smears. And I love the shine that you get when you use an e-cloth. Yeah, you can use glass cleaner. Well, you can use anything really to clean the glass, but I just prefer the shine from using the e-cloth and the microfiber cloth too. So we're almost approaching the hour mark, and I've still got to tidy the dog's toys away, which are in the lounge, hoover the rug, but we're almost there. We've almost done the power hour in an hour. If you're unsure what a power hour is, it's basically where you write down some jobs that need to be done and you give yourself time to do them. It could be a power 20 minutes, a power half an hour, or a power hour. I didn't get the mopping done in my power hour. I underestimated the amount of work that actually did need to be done today, but it's done. And yeah, I'm hoovering the rug and I'm getting there, and I'll show you all the time as soon as I'm finished, so we can work out exactly how long it took me. So we're just coming to the end of the power hour clean, and I started at 11:19 and I started in our bedroom and I finished at 11:27. So that took me 8 minutes to clean. Then at 11:27 I started in the office and I finished that at 11:32, so that took me 5 minutes. Then we done the utility at 11:35 and I finished at 11:46, so that took me 11 minutes. Then we started in the kitchen and I started at 11:47 and finished at 12:01, so that was 14 minutes. And then 12:01 to 12:17 was the lounge and dining room, and that took me 16 minutes. That's a total of 54 minutes of cleaning. So what I've learned from this video is I don't have to do all that power hour in one day. Now, I know it was only light jobs that I've done, and you know, if you're not feeling up to it, or you just have one of them days where you don't want to do too much, then just pick one room. Literally, if say you've got someone coming and you want the lounge and dining room to look tidy, then just know it's only going to take you 16 minutes to tidy it and make it look all nice and fresh. No one has to go upstairs, just tell them that your toilet's out of order, they can't use the toilet, and yeah, that's it. So it didn't take long to do it all, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. And if anything, don't put too much pressure on yourself to clean up. You know, it takes minutes to do a room, but only if you're feeling up to it. So I hope you all have a fabulous day, whatever you are doing, and stay tuned for tomorrow's giveaway. Don't forget about that, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a lovely day, everyone. See you soon. Bye for now.